The Explorer program allows us to create opportunities for people to grow with the company. The excitement, for example, it created on the floor was amazing.
I get a lot of schemes and a lot of programs that will come to my desk, and this ticked a lot of boxes.
I've learned a lot doing the course. It was a great idea, I thought, for all the staff to give an opportunity to do that.
Empowering employee, giving them education to grow, it's all investments. When you invest in people, you get the payback.
Explore is a short, government-funded program, providing training in digital skills and well-being for production staff, changing expectations and opening doors.
I participate to test myself and learn something new. Once you do something new in your life, you go up and up, you grow.
Demands from customers and products we manufacture are changing. So therefore, we need our employees to upskill.
Our experience with the Explore program has been 100% positive. Just what the staff have gained during the time of the project. From the digital skills to well-being, to projects, to communication, teamwork. Like, they've benefited so much and have gained so much during the time.
I would tell everybody to give it a go. You never know the abilities, what you can come up with when you are actually doing a course. Give it a go.
I definitely say to employees and employers, look into doing it because it was very beneficial for myself and for the company.
From a return point of view, you're far better off to add a skill to a good employee that knows your culture and knows everything about your company. It's a far better return on investment.
Let the staff show you what they're able to do.
The Explore programme is the result of a collaboration between Education and Training Boards, the Regional Skills Fora and the Department of Education and Skills. But it's also a collaboration between the employers and the participants themselves. So because of this bringing together of government departments, Regional Skills Fora, Education and Training Boards, enterprise employers and learners, the result is powerful and impactful.